Okay, hi everyone. Today I'm going to review the Remington Mineral Glow Hairdryer. I got this from Argos for $34.99 and I hadn't seen anybody else do a review on it, so I thought that I would. It's got ceramic coated inside and it's supposed to have opal, moonstone, tourmaline and quartz. 2200 watt hairdryer, and it's got the Ionic conditioning inside, which is what I wanted it for because I quite like my hair to be nice and smooth and sleek. So here's the box. I'll get it out so you can all have a look. Right, so here it is out of the box. It's really pretty. I love the colour of it. It's like lovely lilac and light blue colour, so that's quite nice. Also, it's actually really light. I was expecting it to be a lot heavier because my old Fabulous hairdryer is a lot heavier than this one, so that's nice as well. In the box you also get a diffuser, which I probably won't use very much because I prefer my hair kind of sleek rather than volumed. And then you get this, which is great for what I want. Put that on and it turns around there, so you can get your hair in the direction that you want it to go. Yeah, it's really nice. So first impression's really good. It's a tiny bit plasticky, but then it is made of plastic, so you know, we'll forgive it that. And it's got all these different settings. It's got a cool setting. It's got three heat settings. It's got like just a tiny bit warm, then a bit hotter, and then a really hot setting. And it's got 2 fan settings as well. So it depends how much. I think you use it on low with the diffuser and probably on high with the smoothing end. Yeah, so let's give it a try and see how it works. Right, so I've been and washed my hair and now I'm going to dry it with the new hairdryer. So let's get this off my hands. Maybe. Okay, probably fast forward this bit. Bit of brush. Right, let's see, let's check how noisy it is. So that's the low setting, and I'll put it on the high heat, so you can hear that. So that's on low and then this is high. Okay, so it's not too loud actually. I mean, it is a hairdryer, so it is a little bit loud, but not too bad. And it gets, I can feel it's really nice and warm. So I'm just going to go ahead and dry the rest of my hair, and then we'll see how silky it looks with these ions afterwards. That's done, pretty dry. It feels pretty smooth, have to say, and it's dried quicker than my other hairdryer I'm used to as well, so that's good. Well, I haven't tried the diffuser, but I can feel on it, it's made of something special. You can feel it's got some kind of coating on it. But my hair doesn't really do curls, so I can't really test that. But yeah, it feels smooth. I don't know what it looks like because I've done all that without a mirror. So hopefully it looks smooth and shiny. So yeah, so all in all, I'm really pleased with it. It's quite light, it's not too loud, it's really pretty. So I'm hoping that it will last me a good amount of time. As my old Fabulous, I think I probably had it over 10 years, so it's done really, really well. It still works, but it's all cracked where I kept dropping it. So we'll see if this one stands the test of time. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I do reviews of anything I buy now. I'm just going to do some reviews so that people can see, because often I can't find reviews of the things I'm buying, hence why I did this review today. So thank you very much.